Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change country on Ubisoft Connect account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Ubisoft Connect application. If you're having struggles with that, we have a separate video on our YouTube channel where you can go and check how you can actually go and do that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, we have your profile, home, library, have the store and Ubisoft Plus, and of course the download manager and Ubisoft subscribe in the top right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change country on Ubisoft Connect. So since changing the country on Ubisoft account is not possible directly through account settings, for security reason, you'll need to contact Ubisoft support. You just need to go and explain the situation and provide a valid reason for changing your country. You can simply submit a support ticket through the Ubisoft support page. Make sure you include all necessary details and any relevant documentation. Of course, in other sense, they won't, of course, get you that. So you can go here, type in www.ubisoft.com/region/help, and here you can go and open a ticket. So Ubisoft will then review your request and provide instructions on how to actually go and proceed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.